Hello, welcome to Love to Programming. I'm Kausar. This is session 7 of Complete FMS using C# and SQL Server. In today's session, we are going to create method for managing all DML operations. However, before watching this session, I strongly recommend you to watch session 6 of this video series. Because in session 6, we created two methods inside database communicator class. One method for getting all the data from SQL Server database, and we also created method for getting specific data from SQL Server database. Okay, here we have method which is responsible to get all the data from SQL Server database. And we created another version of this method as well, which is responsible to get specific data from SQL Server database. Well, here we want to create method for DML operations. So simple. Internal void, for example, DML procedure executor. And here we want to pass parameters. Simple. For example, object parameter object, for example, value and string procedure name. Well, thereafter we want to read connection from app.config file. First we want to create instance of SQL connection class. Simple. Con equal new SQL connection. Here for SQL connection class constructor we want to pass configuration manager class, because the configuration manager class is responsible to read connection from app.config file. Simple. Configuration manager dot connection strings, for example, dbc dot connection string. Okay, here the dbc is name of the connection which comes from app.config file. So simple. Thereafter we want to create instance of SQL command class. cmd equal new SQL command. For constructor of this class we want to pass procedure name and connection, because we want to execute procedure by con connection. Thereafter we want to specify command type as store procedure. Simple. cmd dot command type equal command type dot store procedure. That is because on SQL Server database we want to execute store procedure instead of normal query. Okay, thereafter we want to iterate simple loop statement here. For example, for int I equals 0, I less than parameter dot length I plus plus. Inside the loop we want to create instance of SQL parameter class. Simple. Param equal new SQL parameter. For this parameter object we want to specify both name and value. Simple. Param dot parameter name equal parameter of I dot to string. Let's specify value as well. Simple. Param dot value equal value of I. Thereafter we want to add this parameter object to SQL command. So simple. cmd dot parameters dot add, for example, param. Good. Thereafter we want to check connection state. Simple. If con dot state equal connection state dot closed con dot open. That means if our current connection state is closed, then we want to open the connection. After the overall processing, we want to execute SQL command. For this aim, we want to call execute non-query method. Simple. cmd dot execute non-query. This method is responsible to execute command on SQL Server database and normally used with insert, update and delete operations. And finally what we will do, we will close the connection state. Simple. Con dot close. Well, our method is finished. End of this lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.